here, you woodpecker!
Wally wet his pants!
I did not! Oh!
That's weird! Oh, it's freezing up again.
No, now it's boiling! I think the weather must be broken.
Yep, we're going on a trip.
Where are we going?
We're going to file a complaint.
With who? Mother Nature?
Yep.
No way! I'm her biggest fan.
I see you can't do anything without me.
Woody Woodpecker as I live and breathe. How are you, darling?
Better than you. The world's a mess out there, lady.
Yes, I've been having some stuffing issues lately.
That explains a lot.
Oh, it's worse than I thought. I'm sorry, my darlings, but we're gonna have to pull another all-nighter.
Mother Nature, this job is way too stressful. We quit.
Well, that's a bummer. What are you gonna do?
Well, most of the factory is automated, so I only need a few workers.
We'll help you, Mother Nature.
We?
Wally, you're not hiding.
Oh, Mother Nature, a big fan of your work, especially the ocean. Great job there. Listen, would you sign my chest?
Anything for a fan. Follow me. Let's start you off with something simple. You are going to inflate clouds and you will put them in that hole. Remember, 2 clouds in the air are better than 1 in the box.
You know what else is funny? This!
Oh no! You broke the machine!
I can fix it. Scratch that.
Well, boys, how's it? Where is it? Where is it? Stress ball. I think we need to start you on something a little easier. Let's find you something a single-cell organism can do. You simply drag this one down and create beautiful icicles that will be hung as needed.
You can count on us. Ooh, this gives me an idea. I'm a walrus.
I'm a unicorn.
I got horns.
I got ears.
Oh, I haven't been this stressed out since I created the Ice Age.
You know what, Mother Nature? You need a vacation.
Well, most everything is automated, so as long as you don't touch anything, we should be fine.
Bon voyage! Don't worry about a thing. This is our chance to shine, Wally.
At least there's no Woody Woodpecker here to screw things up for me in Guadalajara. I don't know how, but Woodpecker!
No, not that
it's
one.
this one. Uh-oh.
I love sitting on the beach, just listening to the sounds of the ocean.
Oh, it's nice to get away and finally relax. I'm sure the boys have everything well in hand. This can't be a good sign.
Maybe this button. Leave the lever here!
I'm beginning to second-guess my recent decision-making. I've never seen so much devastation in just a few hours. Oh no! My last stress ball! Well, boys, I may have finally found a way you can dedicate yourself to the cause. Now that's dedication.